G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a Long Island flat white.
Flat white for hold the door.
This recipe calls for vodka, white rum, tequila, coffee liqueur, Contrail and Bipes. Into a shaker, add ice, then add 15 mils of vodka, 15 mils of gin, 15 mils of tequila, 15 mils of coffee liqueur, and 15 mils of Cointreau. Then you just gotta shake that thing. Pour the mixture into a takeaway cup and top up with beers. And you're done. And you're ready to go watch the kids play footy, or netball, or karate, or dancing, or wherever you need to be. See you later.